Have you ever wondered what goes on inside the bustling city of a beehive? Beyond the endless buzz and the golden honey, a remarkable story of transformation unfolds every single day. From a single, tiny egg to a buzzing winged worker, the life cycle of a honeybee is a marvel of nature's design, a perfectly choreographed dance of growth and purpose. Join us as we journey deep into the hive to witness the 4 incredible stages of a bee's life. It all begins with the queen, the heart and soul of the colony. With regal purpose, she tirelessly inspects the hexagonal cells of the honeycomb, a perfect nursery crafted from beeswax. In the peak of her season, she can lay over 2,000 eggs a day, each one a tiny white grain of rice, placed with precision at the bottom of a cell. These are not all the same, however. The queen determines the future of her colony with each egg she lays. Fertilized eggs will hatch into female bees, destined to become either hard-working worker bees or, in rare cases, a new queen. Unfertilized eggs, on the other hand, will develop into male bees, known as drones, whose sole purpose is to mate. Just 3 days later, a tiny, white C-shaped creature hatches from the egg. This is the larva, a voracious eating machine with no eyes, legs, or wings. Its only job is to eat and grow. Attentive nurse bees rush to its side, feeding it a special protein-rich diet. For the first few days, all larvae are fed royal jelly, a potent secretion from glands in the worker bees' heads. After that, most are switched to a mixture of pollen and honey called bee bread. Over the next 6 days, the larva's growth is explosive. It sheds its skin, or molts, up to 5 times, growing more than 1,500 times its original size until it completely fills its waxy cell. Once the larva is fully grown, its transformation enters a hidden phase. Worker bees cap the cell with a porous layer of beeswax, creating a private chamber for the next stage of development. Inside this sealed cell, the larva spins a delicate silk cocoon around itself and becomes a pupa. Though it may look still and lifeless from the outside, a miraculous metamorphosis is taking place. In an incredible internal reconstruction, the pupa begins to develop the distinct features of an adult bee. Its soft, white body differentiates, forming compound eyes, delicate antennae, powerful legs, and folded wings. This crucial period varies in length. For a worker bee, it takes about 12 days, while a drone requires a slightly longer 14.5 days to complete its development. At last, the transformation is complete. A fully formed adult bee uses its strong mandibles to chew its way out of its wax-capped cell, emerging as a soft, fuzzy, and slightly damp newcomer to the bustling colony. Its life of work begins immediately. The young bee's first task is to clean the very cell from which it just emerged, preparing it for the next egg. For the first few weeks of its adult life, it will remain inside the hive, graduating through a series of roles: nursing the young, tending to the queen, building comb, and guarding the entrance. Only in the final stage of its short life, typically around 3 weeks old, will it venture out as a forager, gathering the nectar and pollen that sustain the entire colony and completing the circle of life. From a single egg to a buzzing forager, the honeybee's journey is a testament to cooperation, efficiency, and the incredible power of transformation. Each staged larva, pupa, and adult is a vital link in the continuous collaborative cycle that keeps the hive alive and thriving. The next time you see a bee dancing among the flowers, remember the hidden, intricate journey it took to get there, a miniature marvel unfolding all around us.